guess that we are almost at the end of this CMDBuild Day 2018. It's been a long journey that brought us from India to Korea to Japan to Italy to the Netherlands. So we did really travel a lot today, and it was extremely interesting for us, TECNOTECA, to know how spread it is our project, and to get to know also see you in person and have a real feedback from new users using CMDBuild, ready to use, open main, or just CMDBuild. So before we say goodbye and to CMDBuild Day 2020, I would like to welcome here my colleague Alessandro, which is just going to do a quick overview of some aspect of the project of OpenMain and CMDBuild ready to use, a little bit of history of the tools as well, and so just before we say goodbye. So Alessandro, welcome in. Alessandro,
hello.
You may know Alessandro because he's the commercial responsible for the tool, CMDBuild, CMD ready to use, and OpenMain.
Well, hello to everyone. Yes, before the real final greetings of this very interesting event, we would like just to say a few final words about the CMDBuild project. Since the beginning, with the first design in 2005 and then the first official release in 2006, as we have seen, the project has grown, developed and improved year after year. And the number of downloads has grown as well.
Yeah, I remembered in 2014 that CMDBuild was chosen Project of the Month by SourceForge, and that was a great achievement. It was a really, I remember that we were extremely happy for this result.
Yeah, exactly. And accordingly to the same SourceForge, nowadays we can say that the number of downloads per year is about 30,000.
Yeah, which is 30,000 is really a great number. So again, let me thank you all, users, companies, everyone that is interested in project, that took part in developing, improving, giving us feedback to achieve such a great result. Yeah.
Yes, going to the next slide, starting from the mother software, let's say CMDBuild, we have then developed two vertical solutions, and we spoke about these today with their case studies from several customers. So in year 2014, we have implemented OpenMain, the solution for property and facility management, which integrates the BIM functionalities and is mainly focused on maintenance activities. And 1 year later, in 2015, we released the CMDB ready to use, which is, as we have seen, the pre-configured version for the IT governance management. This version already integrates a specific data model, workflows, reports, dashboards, and connectors for a proper application in this field, and it's mainly useful for a fast and optimal project implementation.
If you would like to know more specifically about OpenMain and CMDBuild ready to use, you can refer to the several videos that we uploaded on our YouTube channel, TECNOTECA TV, where you can see the main functionalities of the solutions of OpenMain and CMDB ready to use, and CMDBuild, of course. There are also all the webinars that we regularly do. We record them and we put them online as well. We will do the same with the CMDB Day today, so you will definitely find all the speeches that we heard today. You will also find them on the YouTube channel. There is also a specific webinar which was attended by a lot of people, which means probably was one of the most interesting topic about the differences between CMDBuild and CMDBuild ready to use. So make sure you don't forget to watch that one.
Yeah, this was also a question that we received today, so for sure this person will find an answer in watching this video. Well, going to this slide, here we can see the project dissemination of CMDBuild. So how nowadays is widely spread. And on the left side of the slide, we can see the list of the top 10 countries where the project is mainly downloaded. The next slide shows the same basically for OpenMaint. And among the top 10 countries in general, we can always say that we have United States, Italy, China, India, UK, Germany, and Spain. Then we would like just to mention the language aspect, the localizations. So CMDBuild is now available in 24 languages, and the one that you can see here in this slide.
Yeah, we didn't put them all actually. We are actually working on a few other languages that will come out shortly. We just received a contact which is interested in translating CMDBuild into Thai, the language of Thailand, and Sinhala, which to be very honest, I need to Google it because I didn't know what it was, and it's the language of Sri Lanka.
Yeah, internally in TECNOTECA we take directly care of the translation in 5 languages, the first 5 that you can see, so English, Italian, Spanish, French and German. Then obviously we have to rely on the support and activity of several friends around the world that with their activity help us to making the translation in all these languages. Because obviously internally we could not have all this specific knowledge. Concerning also the CMDBuild 3.0 that will be available very soon, we will need obviously again the support and the help of people that will support us making the translation of the last words and the implementation that we have released, that we will release with the new solution.
Yeah, of course, same will happen with the OpenMaint, same will be ready to use, and the mobile app. We always growing the numbers of languages in which we translate our tools so that they are really available for a lot of people worldwide.
Okay, in conclusion, we would just remind the support services that TECNOTECA offers as a developer and maintainer of the open source project. So we offer subscription services to receive a guaranteed assistance to solve, let's say, any possible problem or doubts in time. So we do provide the certified appliance of the software and also some extra functionalities like the mobile app, for example, the self-service portal, and obviously help desk support with bug fix, and also the remote upgrade version. That is obviously particularly important, especially, for example, in this moment with the release of the new version, so the customer can receive our direct support for this, let's say, migration activity. Then we offer specific custom support with remote packages of our for, let's say, all the possible configuration and customization activities, mainly for the startup phase and the initial configuration of the tool, but anyhow, whenever there is the need for new possible customizations, like I don't know, new workflows, reports, dashboards, and so on. And then we offer trainings, so how you can learn to be more autonomous in the implementation and in the activities related to the tool. And so this service is mainly important for a person that would like to be more autonomous in their activities. Well, I think that that's basically all for today and for the CMDBuild Day 2018. And yeah.
Again, let me remind you, but we will definitely talk. I will tell you this again. The next CMDBuild Day will happen in 2 years. Remember that this is a biannual event, so my invitation is already for you now to attend this event in 2020, fall 2020. Of course, we do hope to get in touch with you before that for further contacts about our solution. On screen you can find all the contacts you need, so feel free to write us should you have any specific technical question or commercial issue, or maybe you would like to go deeper into one of the topics that we discussed today during this live event. So, or maybe you would like to have as I read in the questions, the chat box, maybe you would like to receive the slides so we can get in touch, we can connect you with the speakers so you can ask them directly to write their presentations. As you're not allowed to give them straight to you. Okay, so well, from me, Francesco, and from the whole TECNOTECA team, and from Alessandro, of course, from everyone, from all the technical team that behind the camera, really big thank you. But the biggest thank you goes to you that out there that are helping us grow every day bigger and spread our solutions every day a step further. Thank you again, grazie e arrivederci.
Thank you, bye bye.